Here I have Huawei P20 and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at the very beginning open the optimizer, it's over here, it's this icon, and now tap on optimize over here and give your device a few seconds. It will automatically optimize your device. You will see the notification here. Just tap on done once it's finished. Then you can go to cleanup, so it's the first icon, and you can clean up some large apps which are not in use. So as you can see here, and for example, let me remove some unused app which is translator, and click on uninstall, and that's it. You have freed up some space on your device, so it will work and it will be just way faster. Here you've got the audio, videos, images. If you have one, you can also clean them up from this cleanup option. Then you can check the data usage of your device and the battery drop zone, and also you can perform a virus scan to check if your device is secure, if it's free from viruses, because if not, you can also perform the scanning, and then your device will work way faster. So actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.